One came with the other. As long as we can screen print, most people wanted to upgrade, wanted to be able to do embroidery, and they assumed that we did embroidery. But again, luckily I learned how to digitize, I learned embroidery. When it came to embroidery, I wanted the best. I wanted to show quality, because that's what distinguishes us from any other company in the local area.
Oh, the Ricoma is 1,000,000 times better than the old machine that we had, because there was no training whatsoever, and that machine is so old school. There's no touch screen to it. We had to use floppy disks with it. I can't even explain it. It's just very old school.
When it came to upgrading, we looked again and did our homework and decided that Ricoma was our best bet.
It's innovative, it's faster, and it's more precise. You can see the difference in the embroidery itself.
Again, Ricoma being a professional company and the controller being so intuitive that you can really, almost anyone can actually really figure it out. It really seemed like going from learning to drive stick to going to automatic. And as long as we can hoop it, we can embroider it.
We went to the MBM show and we did a little bit of research on it.
Ricoma, again, when we saw them at the local trade show, us being able to ask the questions and then be able to just simply answer them on the fly was very impressive.
So we decided to get a 2-head, and that doubled our production.
Again, the machine being so well made, well manufactured, very consistent in regards to the quality, we know that we can rely and have a turnaround much faster than our competition.
That's my biggest obstacle, is my customers when they want it almost next day. They'll come in on a Thursday and they want it by Friday.
And anyone would come in and ask for something, can they have it within a couple of business days? And I said, yes, I guarantee you we can have that done for you within a couple of business days. And the quality was there, the turnaround was fabulous. So I know they were going to be repeat customers, and that's the key thing to any business nowadays, repeat customers.
The one thing that they told us first was that Ricoma had 7 days a week technical support. That's very big for me, is technical support.
I think one of the best things was that they themselves will back up the product and not only be able to say it, but be able to put it in writing, which is something you don't get nowadays. Put them to the test since day one. We had a couple of questions in regards to it. They responded immediately and were able to again follow through as professional as you can possibly imagine.
I'm very precise about my embroidery, especially if they're going to be saying that control printing made it. I want them to be able to say, oh, this was made by control printing and it is a nice quality embroidery.
We're looking to go perhaps now, we've again doubled our production based on this particular model that we picked up, which was a 2-head, which is again great quality, great engineering. We're looking to at least go up to hopefully the 4-head or even the 6-head.